Okay, please sit down. And up here. Wow. Really cool. So most of the owls has a large head and a large eyes. So their eyes are good in total darkness. They can see 8 to 10 times better than the human's eyes. For their hearing are active. They can hear a mouse squeak half a mile away, and they fly very silently because of the softened edge of their feathers. So very silently humble, no? So here in the Philippines, owls are also called bukal or quago. You want to go back now? You want to go home? Casper? There we go! So we're looking around named Casper. Now from the turtle vertebrate, let's go to the ordinal vertebrate. The ordinal means they're active in the daytime, and they will hunt on daytime. Now we need a lure. Hello, Mr. JR. So the next vertebrate will show us how to catch his food or his prey. For example, now, a kind of lure. Okay, ready now, Mr. JR? Ready? Okay, everyone, keep your eyes alert to our hot eagle named Hunter. Now flying in. Wow, very aggressive kind of bird. He attacked the lure. So in exchange of the lure, Miss Becky will give them more food. And that's their reward system. And it's making this sound. Mamaya mag-walk sa wild. Wild walk sa wild. So just like many raptors, you will eat some reptiles, small mammals, and fish. So hawk eagles are from the Philippines. Listening is good. Be careful now. You can face the audience.